Yo, what's up guys, it's Zyzz again, and today we're looking at the Phantom. This is my 2016, well early 2016, high-end gaming and editing rig. Also, stay tuned for the giveaway of the beta key at the end of the video, and I'll link all the description for the parts down below in the description box. So, starting off with the brain of the build, and it's my Intel i7-4790K quad-core processor with 4 GHz base clock speed and up to 4.5 GHz in turbo mode. Not to mention that it's cooled by the Cooler Master Neptune 240M all-in-one water cooler. For the motherboard, I'm using the MSI Z97 G5 motherboard. I chose this one for the variety of its ports, clean looking BIOS and durability with overclocking. Moving on, and because I love enjoying my games and I'm a committed gamer, I threw in a GTX 980 Ti. So now I can run every game on 1080p with the highest settings until I get a proper 4K monitor. For the RAM, I'm using a 32 gigs of HyperX Fury in black. And for the storage, I have a 120GB SSD for my operation system, while I'm running over 4TB of hard disk drive storage for my games and media. Finally, all of this is running off a Cooler Master G750 semi-module power supply. And not to forget the case, of course, I chose the NZXT H440 in black and green. You may ask why this case? Well, it's super clean, cable management is a bit tight at the back, but still better than some other cases I tried, and it looks sick. Now I shall leave you for the gaming Full HD 1080p benchmarks. So finally guys, I'm sure that you saw how beastly is this rig, and I'm sure it's gonna rock 4K content when I get a 4K monitor anyway. So coming now to the beta key giveaway. Well, a simple 4 rules to get in. First of all, you need to be subscribed to this channel. Leave a comment below with what you want to see next. Follow me on Twitter, well, because I'll be announcing the winners out there, and just enjoy this video. So it will be up to 3 winners. I'll be announcing the winners through Twitter, and might be 1 only. For now I have 1, but depends on how many people participate. It's up to 3 basically. So I'll see how it goes. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. And as always, Zyzz, I'll see you in the next one.